What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are in this mangrove area. Crazy. There's monkeys everywhere. You can hear. Turn around, Dad. Look, just look. Right over there. Monkeys everywhere. Jumping on the trees. And that one's about to jump, but it looks like okay. But today we are in this mangrove fishing with shrimp. Using some shrimp again, small hooks, and it looks like there's some smaller fish in here, so we might be able to catch some of these fish. And let's get to it. Got the shrimp on cast. Well, they cleaned me off actually a few times already, so I'm gonna bait up and we can start fishing. As you can see, just caught this little fish, spines everywhere, shaking. I don't want to get spined, so, oh gosh, he's flinging everywhere. Okay, that's wonderful. Got it? Hey, don't bite on the hook. Okay, he's got some little teeth in there, if you can see that. Some teeth. He didn't take the bait fully, so I'm gonna let this guy go. And there he goes. That guy had some actual color on him. That's pretty cool. First fish ever in the mangroves. Pretty neat. And let's keep on fishing. Okay, guys, another fish. This is kind of getting easy, actually. Small again. Spines everywhere, like a normal saltwater fish. Looks like this guy. Yep, this guy might have some teeth too. Different species, and if you guys know, down in the comments below, what types of fish these are. In the mangroves again, second fish of the day. And there it goes. Okay, guys, another fish. This one looks like a better size. Yeah, definitely better size. Seems like we already kind of caught this type. But again, in the comments below, if you know what type of fish these are, type them. And I'm taking my time because they have so many spikes. There it goes. And these guys do have teeth. See there? See in there? They will bite you if you put your finger in their mouth, I'm guessing. So I'm not even going to try that. Nice little fish. Better size, and there it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, we are back home from Costa Rica. If you've been wondering why I haven't posted in a while, I was just in Baltimore, Maryland, just yesterday, actually. Yeah, yesterday. And I hadn't been posting because we were with cousins and family, so I didn't want to waste the time with them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, we were in Costa Rica, and if you do know the names of those fish, please do put them in the comments below. And I don't know their names because it's obviously, Costa Rica, and I hadn't studied up or anything like that. But hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video.